I'm with my prince. And we will unboxing his new toy.
Yeah.
What's that?
Ryan's Mystery Playdate.
Who's Ryan?
A YouTuber.
Who's Ryan?
He's a YouTuber.
Yeah?
Yeah, he makes more videos.
About toys like that?
Yeah. And having some fun.
Yeah.
Yeah. And facts.
So, you are his fan?
Yeah.
Okay, so we will
I'm
do
kinda
it.
a little fan.
This one, Pocket Watch, Ryan's Mystery
Playdate.
Playdate. Okay, how much is this?
I forgot how it was.
I think we got this for, kasi naka-sale siya. Before, it's $30, but we got this one for only $20.
Yeah, $20.
So, let's do it.
Let's do it.
So, we have a deal earlier na dapat sa house namin i-unbox ito. Kung hindi, ibabalik namin siya sa Walmart. So, na-challenge yung patience ni Prince for like 4 to 5 hours. At itong kanyang itsura. Panoorin nyo.
Diba ang cute niya doon? Yun ang reaction niya for 4 or 5 hours namin pagbiyahe kasi galing pa kami sa city. So dahil nag-success siya, hindi niya in-unbox to sa sasakyan. So hindi namin siya babalik sa Walmart. So let's do this. Let's unbox it. Let's go.
Yeah.
Yes, unbox na natin siya. Ito siya. So may mga number siya. 1. Where's the 2? Over here?
Yeah.
Yeah, and then 3. So ganun natin siya i-unbox. So, buksan natin yung number 1. There you go. Open natin. Let's see kung ano ang mystery. Ang secret ni Ryan for number 1.
Ooh, it's him! Oh, it's too hard to get. Whoa!
Pakita mo. Oh, wow. That's so cute. Oh, my God. Sabi ko, huwag namin bibilin kasi baka walang kwenta lang. Ang cute niya. Look at this one.
Yeah, he has an R from his shirt because he's Ryan.
Tapos meron siyang headset. Okay.
Yeah, to play
Okay.
games.
Ang ganda ng number 1. So, let's go for number 2.
So for number 2.
Number 2. Ako na. Baka ma-paper cut na. Close mo muna yung eyes mo. At wala. Ang hirap nang i-open.
I know, right?
Baka ma-paper cut tayo.
Ah! Wow!
What's that? Oh, ah, malaki pala siya. Kala ko maliit. Oh, yeah. Let me try it.
Rockstar.
Okay, suotin mo yan habang nag-ano tayo, nagbe-video. Okay, ang ganda rin ng number 2.
Yeah!
Oh my God. Diba? Okay, let's go on number 3. This one.
Number 3.
Number 3.
Let's see.
Sana maganda rin.
Ooh, it's in. There's some. Ooh!
Oh, a gaming chair.
A gaming chair for Ryan.
Ah, a gaming chair. Oh, that's so cute.
Oh!
I think magkakaroon tayo ng computer dito.
Yeah. We have a
Okay.
computer.
Hindi naman masyado. Okay, let's go for number 4. This one, number 4.
Yeah, number 4. Come on, get up.
Wow! Another Ryan!
It's Ryan's dad.
Ryan's dad?
Yeah,
Oh,
look like it
my
because
God.
he wears glasses.
Ang cute! Dalawa na yung toy mo.
Yeah. They almost have is there like Ryan's mom?
I don't know. Let's see. Let's check out. So let's go for number 5. I think we just have 12 mystery.
Yeah. Let's get this open. What do we have?
Oh, another Ryan!
Another Ryan that has a VR look like.
VR, yes.
Yeah,
may VR siya.
I have something like it.
Ano picture? Yung
Oh, here, look.
Yay!
It looks like a VR.
I know. That's so cute. Okay naman pala eh. Si Ryan talaga ang mamahal
Si
ng mga
Ryan's.
mga
Which one is Ryan?
laruan nila. Sometimes $100 sila para sa mystery box. Yung egg na malaki. Ayoko sana kasi minsan wala namang kwenta pero pinagbigyan lang. Okay, what number are we? 5? 6. Okay, let's go for number 6.
Maganda?
Oh, maganda. Dad naman! We're doing video! Yung chat nyo nandyan! Oh, Eps! Sorry. one?
Yeah, number 7.
Ano kaya?
Oh! Oh, it's a big controller. It's a eraser. Whoa.
Ano? Eraser siya.
Yeah, even though it's a game, it's a controller. And there's a mystery over here.
What mystery? Let me see.
Over here. It's a mystery button.
I know. Okay, let's go. Number 8.
Let's start.
Malapit na. Oh, a sticker.
Ooh, a sticker.
Oh, may sticker? Wala na. Sticker
But
na.
look,
Diba
it's
yun?
golden.
So what if it's golden? Number 8 is no good.
What? That's really good.
I think this one, number 9 is big, so I guess this is good. But, let's see.
See if there's...
What's that?
Maybe that's for Ryan. Get to
I know.
watch.
But it's like, yeah, a computer set. Why this one is color blue and that one is red?
Maybe,
It's not match.
maybe I don't know. It's my favorite color.
But it was good. It was good. I like it.
Yeah. What if
Look
Ryan
at this.
used a big controller to play with?
I know.
8.
Okay. Which number are we? 9?
10.
10. Oh my god, this is small. I don't know if it's good or not because...
Maybe something.
1, 2.
Wow! It's a ball!
A ball?
Oh, we get to see Ryan.
Let me see. Oh, his picture is there.
Yeah. Cool.
Cool. It's not cool.
Bro. I know,
Okay,
but it looks
let's
so
go for
cool.
number 11.
Yeah, number 11.
Dun. What's it?
A bracelet!
Oh, yeah?
It says mystery playdate. It has my favorite color over here.
I know, it's color blue, but it was big. Yeah. Bracelet.
Bracelet. Yeah.
So, that's 11. So, we just have one more. Number 12.
Number 12.
1, 2. Done!
Oh! It's a Robux cube.
Rubik's Cube.
Oh, okay.
Well,
Let me do it.
ang tigas.
That's too hard to open.
Wait, mami, masira. Hala ka. Yay!
Yay! We gotta mix this up.
So, no more na.
No more na.
Wala na po.
Uh-huh.
So, what? Do you like it?
Yeah!
Do you think it's $20 is worth it? Yeah, you think so?
Yeah. Oh! Alright, right.
Later ka na mag-play. So, overall, I think okay naman siya. Okay naman yung $20. Ayan, ito yung mga nakuha namin. Ayan.
Yeah,
Ayan.
even though there's no Ryan's mom character there.
Siguro sa ibang mystery box nandiyan si mom, but I guess okay naman dahil nakakuha kami
Yeah.
tatlong tao at may glasses pa, sunglass, which is cute.
And cool.
Yeah. So, maglalaro muna si Prince. I hope you guys like it.
Yeah.
I hope you guys like it and see you sa next vlog.
Bye!